We decided to offer our own asymptomatic testing service because the health and safety of our staff and students is our top priority, and this will give us another line of defence against the virus. We'll be able to sequence the virus that we find, if we find any, and track where it came from. So this will give us extremely rich information about where the virus is it spreading, is it not spreading. This will allow us to take sensible decisions. Any staff and students who are coming onto campus will be eligible for the test, and we will have to prioritise those who will be coming onto campus. But if we do have spare capacity, then others may be eligible too. The test we're using is a saliva test. This will be much easier to administer. People will be able to administer it themselves. So if students are coming to a testing point, they will spit into the tube and they'll put the tube directly into the rack, which will then be taken away when the rack is full. That will be taken away for analysis. In terms of staff, we are, and we could do this for students in certain circumstances, we're offering takeaway testing kits. So as you leave work, you can take a plastic bag with a testing kit and instructions in it. You can take it home. As you go into work, you can then deposit your sample in the protective bag at a sample collection point. So any individual who we notify has tested positive will be asked to self-isolate, and we will then administer a second test. If that test also proves positive, we will refer them to the NHS, where they will then have a swab test, which will either confirm or not confirm that they have coronavirus. And clearly, if they then have a positive test under NHS, they'll be in the test, trace and protect system. Some universities in the UK are offering, as we are, an asymptomatic testing service. Other universities are, of course, taking the measures that are available to them. I'm very pleased that we're able, through our own expertise and through our labs and our fantastic staff who've worked incredibly hard to achieve this. It's a remarkable achievement in a short matter of weeks to set up a service like this. I should like to stress it's only one element in our protection against the virus. We've assessed all of our buildings, installed one-way systems. Everybody who are in buildings, when they're interacting with other people, will wear masks. We keep our 2-metre distancing. So we're doing everything we can to make the environment as safe as possible, but to be able to continue our business as far as we can under these circumstances.